Atul Gupta wins court case, R10m account returned to him. Atul Gupta wins court case. Atul Gupta's R10m to be returned to him. Judge Fouche Jordaan has ruled that the R10m and Gupta's accounts be unfrozen. He, however, amended his previous order pertaining to Gupta-linked companies and Bank of Baroda. About R40m in the Bank of Baroda, belonging to Gupta-related companies, remains preserved. The AFU had wanted R20m preserved. The bank and the companies were listed as applicants in the case. The Free State High Court in Bloemfontein has ruled in favor of controversial Gupta brother Atul in his application to have a preservation order obtained against him by the NPA's Asset Forfeiture Unit, AFU, set aside. Gupta claimed that the AFU had misled the court with the evidence they presented to secure the preservation order. At the time that Gupta filed the application, he was in Dubai. His affidavit was signed and sworn in Dubai, and it was stamped and signed by a commissioner of oaths at the South African consulate in there. I wish to state, at the outset, that I am currently outside South Africa, he said. Gupta denied that he had unduly benefited from the Estina dairy farm project, but added that he had not had an opportunity to read the papers. The affidavit is prepared in extreme haste, as I was only able to give factual instructions on February 7, he said in his papers. He also submitted that he did not take issue with the part of the order which related to the preservation of a movable property. He restricted his challenge to the cash amount. The NPA seized control of a dairy farm in the Free State. The Gupta's bank accounts, companies co-owned by Judah Zuma, and other entities in the Gupta empire. In an answering affidavit filed, prosecuting authorities set out precisely why they say that R10m in Gupta's personal bank account constituted the proceeds of corruption, fraud and money laundering. The AFU said the money was paid from the Estina dairy project, which received it from the Department of Agriculture in the Free State. Special Director of Public Prosecutions Motlala Katsun Orks Molo said in the affidavit that evidence obtained by financial investigators Samson Shawkwik and Kosef Joel Bradley revealed that there was a series of alleged unlawful and criminal activities that led to the money being paid. Molo referred to a separate affidavit by Mradla, who said that the Free State Agricultural Department paid the money to Estina as a result of an unlawful contract. The money was then mingled with other money in the account, which then constituted money laundering, Molo submitted. A few days later, an amount of R4.5 meters was withdrawn and or transferred from this account to Oak Bay Investments, therefore constitute proceeds of unlawful activities. Molo said Bradley's affidavit was supported by bank statements which clearly identified Oak Bay Investments as a recipient of proceeds of corruption, fraud, theft and money laundering committed against the Free State Department of Agriculture. The fourth applicant, Oak Bay Investments, received proceeds of unlawful activities as it has not rendered any services either to the Free State Department of Agriculture and to Estina.